I really struggled with anxiety with public speaking, and when I started implementing what I'm about to share today, especially the first tip, it really changed for me. And now I'm actually excited about speaking in public. And so the first thing is that people don't come to judge you as a good or a bad speaker. People come to listen to the words you have to say, to your content. So focus on your message, what you bring, not on, am I good enough? Am I smart enough? Am I sounding smart enough? How am I looking? How are they gonna think about me? No, people don't come to judge you. So don't judge yourself, just focus on what you have to say. The second thing is change how you think will change how you feel. If you think, I'm so scared of public speaking, you will feel scared. If you're alone at home and you're in bed and it's dark and it's nighttime and you're thinking, there's a burglar downstairs, I heard some noise, you start feeling sweaty, you start trembling, your heart starts beating, you're feeling nervous. Why? Because you think there's a burglar. It's just a thought and immediately you feel something. So if you think, I'm a great speaker, I'm a confident speaker, I feel calm, I got this, you will feel more confident. And when you feel more confident, you will deliver a better energy and a better speech. The third thing is that the feeling, the emotion of anxiety is the same as the emotion of excitement. And anxiety has this negative feeling to it, and excitement is more positive. So instead of, I'm anxious about speaking, I'm excited about speaking. I started implementing this and it really made a difference. When I tell myself, I'm excited about public speaking, how can I feel negative about that? It's impossible. Number 4 is that other speakers, big famous names, they feel nervous too. I interviewed so many speakers about confidence, about their anxiety, and they feel nervous. They told me that one by one, they still feel nervous. They look calm and they look confident, but they go on stage and they're still nervous. But they learn to deal with that anxiety and the fear. They practice, they rehearse, they get better at it, but they're still nervous. By the way, if you like this content, can you please hit that like button? Thank you so much. Number 5 is practice like crazy. Practice until you want to throw away your presentation or your speech. The more you practice, the better you will know your content. The better you know your content, the more confident you will feel. The more confident you feel, the less anxiety you will have and the better energy you will bring to your audience into your speech and presentation. The biggest fear we have is to forget our lines, to forget our speech, to go blank. So the more you practice, the better you'll know your stuff, and it'll be like an automated pilot. And the best way to do it is to rehearse, to record your speech, to listen to it day and night, and especially before you fall asleep. I do this all the time. When you fall asleep, it just picks up onto your subconscious and you will memorize easier. I made a video about how to memorize, and I'll link to that below. Number 6 is visualize. Play the mind movie exactly how you want it to be. How do you want your presentation or your speech to go? At night, again, before you fall asleep, that's the best practice time to do that, is to visualize yourself standing on a stage, delivering with calm, with confidence, people looking at you, you're smiling, you're standing there applauding, people come to you, you are amazing, you're a great speaker, and you feel good and you're smiling. Why do athletes do this? They do this before every race because it works. Play that scenario over and over in your mind and feel. Not just think, feel calm, feel confident, feel excited. This is your moment. Visualization, it takes seconds, a minute, a few minutes, as short or as long as you want, but play that little movie and feel it. And that is how your thinking creates results. The way you practice your speech, the way you memorize your speech is exactly how you will deliver your speech. So memorizing the right way is very important. And watch this next video where I'll take you through the exact steps to do that.